Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make masala scrambled eggs. Masala technically is just a mixture of Indian spices. It's more like warm rather than hot. So if you'd like to learn how to make these yummy, delicious and super quick scrambled eggs, please keep watching. So first we're going to take a couple teaspoons of oil. Any kind of oil will do. I've here used grapeseed oil. It's one of my favorite oils. And after that, you just add in about a medium-sized onion chopped very finely, and you let it cook till it turns about a goldenish color, not too brown, not too raw either. But you still want it to have a little bit of a crunch and a little bit of a goldenish color. It really brings out the taste of the onions. So next, what I'm going to be doing is I'm taking about 4 eggs, about 2 whole eggs and 2 egg whites. I'm going to whip these up and put them in the masala mixture as soon as that masala mixture is done. It's not really done yet, but we're still working on it. And yeah, so just mix them up really well, and we will be adding them to the masala mixture as soon as it's done. Alright guys, the next step is that I've added about 2 cloves of minced garlic and about an inch of grated ginger to it. And also after cooking them for a few seconds, I've added about a whole chopped tomato. Next up, what I'm doing is I've actually let the tomato, onion, garlic, and ginger mixture soften up and cook it for a little bit, say about a couple minutes, and then I've added about a teaspoon of coriander powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Now I've added salt enough for the eggs as well, so you wouldn't have to add salt to the eggs while you're whipping them up. We're just going to add the eggs as they are. Alright guys, so the masala is ready. I did cook the spices for a couple seconds and this smelled so good. Just ready for the next step now. Alright guys, so now I've actually added the whipped eggs to the masala, and I've kept it on a very low to, between low to medium, or basically on the lower side, because we know that the masala is already cooked. And we don't want to overcook that too much. We're just trying to scramble up the eggs a little bit and let them cook on low heat. If you want to crisp them up, you can crisp them up at the end a little bit, but I like to keep them soft and I like to keep the flavors intact. I don't want anything to burn and I don't want the masala to overcook. So yeah, I'm cooking it on slow heat and I will show you the final result in just a moment. Alright guys, so this is the final look of my masala scrambled eggs. Guys, these smell and taste so delicious. I've already tried them. I hope you give them a try. I hope you enjoy eating them as much as I do, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and happy eating.